Yes. What's the meaning of drawing?
So drawing is whatever the part that I have created. Uh, I've created drawing. It explains what's the size, what dimension,
Okay.
surface finish, type of finish, and all the tolerances are there.
Yes. That is, drawing is nothing but a language of technique.
Yeah, technical language of technique.
The
Yes, sir.
communication between the human being and the machineries.
Yeah, yeah, come on, yeah, good.
Absolutely. Yeah. Now, based on the drawing, you'll go for next level.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that drawing is important. First, we should have a knowledge in drawing. So that first level is drawing. Based on the drawing, we'll do
Drawing, yes, sir.
operation. We'll select the operation. This drawing important. GD and yes. What's the meaning of this GD and T?
Oh, yes. Sir, I think it's referred to geometric tolerance.
That is G is for geometrical.
Geometrical. Geometrical dimension tolerance. Oh, yeah, geometrical dimension tolerance.
Now, what's the meaning of geometry? This is known as geometry. Without a dimension, we have drawn the diagram. This is known as geometry.
Yes.
Just the outline of the component.
Oh, yeah, outline of the profile. Yes.
Yes. This is known as G. And then
G.
here we are given 100.
Yes.
This 100, 100, 80, 60, 80, like this we are given. That is known as dimension.
Dimension.
Yes. And then tolerance. Suppose we are record 80 mm. Here innerly we should cut 80 mm. Yes. 80 into
Yes, sir.
this is our record. Okay. 80 into 60. This is our record. 10 mm. This portion. This is our record area. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, whatever the length width is 80, 60, and 10.
Yeah.
From this 180 into 30, we have to cut depth 10 mm, 80, 60, and 10 mm thickness.
Sorry. 10 mm, yes, sir.
Now, they are given only 80. That's all. But what about the tolerance?
Yes, sir. They haven't given any tolerance.
They are not given the tolerance. Compulsory for each and every metal in mechanical, in operations, in machining sector, compulsory 100% they will give some tolerance.
Yes.
Okay. Based on the tolerance, we should take the component. Without tolerance, they won't give any diagram.
Yeah.
Okay, for each and any component, will be having a windmill or a small bolt nut, anything. Okay, 3 meter windmill or 6 mm bolt net, for anything. Okay, they will give compulsory. They will give some tolerance.
Yes.
Okay, based on the tolerance, we should do the machine.
Yes.
In some places, how they will give now? They will give 80. Like, okay, how? 0, like this. Okay, in some cases, 80, 0, 80 plus or minus 1.
Yes, sir.
But for each and everything, there's a meaning. Okay. For each and everything, there's some tolerance will be there. Suppose 80.0.
Yeah.
If 80.0 now, then plus or minus 0.1.
Oh, 80.0. Okay, plus
This is equal to plus or minus 0.1. Okay. Some cases like this, 80.00 plus or minus 0.01.
Hmm.
Yes. Or otherwise, directly they will do 80 plus or minus 0.01.
Okay, so if 80.0 is there, it means I can make either 80.1 or 79.9.
79.9, 80.0, 80.1. The three value you can take any one value.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir, yes.
The same for this. 9.99, 80.00 or 80.01.
Yes.
That is, this is 100 micron tolerance, this is 10 micron tolerance.
Oh, that's 100, that's 10, and if it's 001, then it's 1 micron.
0.1, sorry, 1 mm equal to 1000 microns.
Oh, 1 mm. Oh, yeah, that's it.
0.1 mm equal to 100
1.
microns. 0.01 mm equal to 10 microns. 0.001 mm equal to 1 microns.
Oh, yes, sir, 10 microns. And
So that before doing the program, we should have knowledge that is not 100% knowledge about in drawing. Okay, no need of 100% knowledge in GD&T, but little bit. Okay, at least
really,
5
yes,
to 10 percentage you should have a knowledge in drawing. Okay,
drawing.
what's the meaning of this first angle projection, third angle projection? Yes, you have
Uh,
having idea about first angle projection, third angle projection.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I did study about it. Like I think the first thing is that isometric view is 30-degree, where you can see two sides, and I think the first projection is, I think, the front view, the back view, something like that, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, but I haven't, like, I just did it theoretically, but after that I never really revised that.
Yes. Why? Because this is the basic knowledge for to become a good CNC programmer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you want to be a good CNC programmer, we should have somewhat knowledge about in the drawings. Without
Yes, sir.
knowledge in drawing, we can't able to become a programmer.
Ah, yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now you got idea about the tolerance.
Yes, sir, I do.
What is
Yes.
the meaning of
And sir, just a quick question. If I've got written 80.0,
hmm,
naturally as a programmer or a CNC machinist, I will understand that it means there is a tolerance of
plus or minus 0.01?
0.01, which means 100 microns.
Yeah.
And if it's
Correct.
80.00, it means it has got a tolerance of 10 microns.
Yeah.
And if it's
That
80
is,
point,
see, one thing. But what they will give now, this is not a fixed,
yeah,
but they will give like this. Why? Because now they can't able to give the full dimensions in the diagram, all the
yeah,
dimensions. So that what they will give now, what they will say now, just they will put 80.00. That's all. But
yeah.
when you see the tabular column below the drawing, you can able to identify the tabular column below the drawing sheet.
Oh, so they can actually change it as well.
Yes, yes. Why? Because now they will give 0.00 indicates plus or minus O2, 0.02.
Oh, so it depends on the
It depends
company
on
as well.
drafter. Uh, that is you can say designing and drafting.
Yes,
We are saying it's your CAD.
yeah.
CAD is two types we can say. That is one is computer aided designing, computer aided drafting.
Oh,
Okay. What's the meaning of this computer aided designing and then what's the meaning of computer aided drafting?
um,
Daily You will be using the CAD. Yeah, you will be using a CAD. CAD means computer aided designing or computer aided drafting. But this is not or. That is computer aided designing or computer aided drafting is not. There's a difference between computer aided designing and computer aided drafting.
Oh, sir. Oh no, I actually think I didn't know. I thought that both of them are the same thing.
Yeah, it's not the same. It's different.
Oh,
CAD and then CAD is different. Computer aided
oh,
designing, computer aided drafting is different.
yeah.
Once you create a new component, okay, you design the component that is known as computer aided designing.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Creating a new component,
Yes.
okay, creating a new component, this is known as computer aided designing.
Yes, sir.
And then when you give the dimensions for the created designs, okay, we are splitting top view, front view, side view, sectional view. Yes,
Yes.
that is known as computer aided drafting.
Oh, so basically creating the drawings is drafting and design is like a model. You make the model, but drafting is with all the views, like creating proper engineering drawings.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Now you can able to differentiate the designing and
Yeah, I
drafting.
can. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, this is very important. Simply we
Yeah.
say CAD means computer aided designing or computer aided drafting. Why
Yeah.
we say like this? Yes, but
Yes.
what's the meaning of drafting and design? Designing is different from drafting.
Drafting. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, when I give the dimensions like this is known as simply we can design the component. This is known as designing.
Designing. Yes, sir.
But when I split the component to front view, side view, top view, and the sectional view like this, I'm splitting that. That is
Hmm.
known as drafting.
Drafting. Yes, sir.
Yes, now this is clear.
Yes, sir. I'm very clear on that
It
thing.
all comes under GD&T.
GD&T. Yes.
Geometry, dimension, and tolerance.
Tolerance. Yeah.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, if you want to be a good CNC programmer, we should have knowledge in GD&T.
GD&T.
Without knowledge in GD&T, you can't become a designer or a drafter or you can become a programmer.